Hi, I'm Allison, and I'm really lucky to have my mom, Carolyn, here with me today. And we're going to be doing a wonderful recipe, a green bean casserole. This recipe is historic in our family. We have been doing this every Thanksgiving. My mom has to make this or people complain. They are up in arms.
My daughters.
Exactly.
Yeah,
Your daughters, your grandkids, everybody. And it is so easy. There's just a few ingredients. So we have 2 cans of condensed cream of mushroom soup, fresh mushrooms. We have some green beans. We have a little bit of milk, especially if you have condensed soup, and then some organic French fried onions for the top. And that's pretty much the whole thing. It's so easy to make. So a half a cup of milk, any kind of milk you want. And then you're just going to kind of stir it together. Just stir it nicely together. We're going to add the mushrooms in to the soup mixture. And these are fresh mushrooms. Next up is the green beans. We like to buy French sliced green beans. We think they're the most delicious. You can do them canned, you can do them frozen like we have. It's whatever you have time for, really. Fresh, you can do them fresh, cut them yourself. So we just kind of want to get everything all nicely spread out. Get your little clumps down there. Am I doing an okay job, Mom?
Yes.
Okay.
And since they're frozen, but they're French cut, so they'll thaw right away.
Oh, great. We have to preheat the oven to 350 degrees, which we should probably do right now because this is going to go really fast. And now this is just simply take this beautiful mixture of the soup, the milk, and the mushrooms, and you just pour it in on top. We'll spread it out a little more evenly as we go. This is just so simple. You just mix it up. You tell me if I'm doing anything not to your satisfaction, because you are the queen of this recipe.
Looks yummy.
Just mix it so everything's nicely together. And then we have some French fried onions to top everything off with.
We'll put the whole can on.
Yeah.
The more
the merrier.
Almost put the can in.
Anything else? Do we spread it to the sides a little bit? Just doesn't need very much, but you're just going to spread it to the sides a little bit. And then that's really it.
That's it.
That's it. And now you pop it into the oven at 350 for 30 minutes.
Or until it starts to bubble.
Shall we do it?
Let's go.
You want to get the oven door for me? All right, here we go. And we are ready to check on the casserole and see how it's doing. Right, Mom?
Yeah.
Here we go.
All right, I'll open this for you.
It looks absolutely beautiful, bubbling, gorgeous. Here we go.
It's wonderful.
Oh, it looks so good. Okay, this looks amazing. I feel like the only thing left to do now is to plate it up and enjoy it. What do you think, Mom?
I think that's a good idea. Really good idea.
We're all plated up now, and just like at Thanksgiving, we're going to have a little wine with our green bean casserole. So you tell me when.
Thank you. That's it.
You are welcome. And we have to toast to this wonderful time cooking and doing all kinds of fun stuff. So cheers. Very nice. Here we go. Oh my gosh. This is one of my favorites. Oh, it tastes just like I remember.
So good.
It just brings back so many memories. It's just so wonderful. Oh, I'm so glad we were able to do this.
Thank you for choosing it for your show.
How could I not? How could I not?
The full recipe is in the description below. For more recipes, subscribe to Simple Fantastic Kitchen.